Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix WhatsApp cannot export chat. First off, you can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure that you have a stable connection. You can also try toggling airplane mode on for a few seconds and toggling it back off. The other thing that you must do is make sure that you have enough space. Head over to settings on your device, tap on storage, and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space or the space that is required to export the chats. If not, then delete some apps, videos or games that you do not use anymore. You can also head over to apps, tap on WhatsApp, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the cache of WhatsApp and try again. Do not clear storage of WhatsApp as it will log you out of WhatsApp. If required, you may also be required to log out of WhatsApp. For that, open up WhatsApp, tap on the 3 lines at the top right of your screen, tap on settings, scroll all the way, tap on account, and then hit remove account, and you may have to re-add your account and try again. If that too fails, simply head over to your app drawer, long press on WhatsApp, uninstall WhatsApp, and reinstall it from the Play Store and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.